Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's make this cute little tiny heart in just 2 minutes. It's so beginner friendly, so watch this video till the end to learn it. So let's start our video. For making this heart, we are going to make a magic ring. Then we are going to make chain 2, 1 and then 2. After that we are going to make a triple crochet. For that, yarn over 2 times, then insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull the loop through 2 loops, and then again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Our first triple crochet is ready. Make second one, repeat the same, then again make the third triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Our 3 triple crochet is ready. Now we are going to make 3 half double crochet. For that, yarn over, pull through, and then again yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again make one more, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After that we are going to make 1 triple crochet. Again make 1 triple crochet just like that, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. After that our one side is completed. You can see for the another side of the heart, repeat the same, 3 treble crochet, 1, then again 2, then 1 more double crochet. After that we are going to make 3 triple crochet, make 3 triple crochet, 1, then 1 more yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again 1 more, insert your hook twice, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Our 3 triple crochet is ready. After that we are going to make chain 2, 1 and then 2, then make a slip stitch in the magic circle, make a slip stitch, then pull the loop of the magic ring to close the hole, pull it tightly, then chain 1. Now we are going to cut the yarn. Cut it, pull the yarn through and tighten it, and pull the loop of the magic circle also to close the hole tightly and make the heart shape. As you can see, our heart is ready. Now we are going to hide the extra yarn with the help of yarn needles. Just follow the steps and you will make the cute little heart in just 2 minutes. As you can see everyone, our cute little heart is ready. You can easily make this by following this tutorial video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video about tutorials and crochet you will be notified. So there are also other many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Keep supporting.